Dark matter, the mysterious, invisible, cosmic substance that makes up 85% of the universe and does literally nothing. Sound familiar?
Huh?
Yeah, like chat in your group project.
So here's the deal. Scientists discovered galaxies are spinning way too fast, like Fast and Furious 47 fast. There should be enough mass to fling stars out like cosmic frisbees. But nope, something invisible is holding it all together. We can't see it, can't touch it, can't even taste it. Trust me, NASA tried. It's basically the universe's ghost roommate. Pays no rent, leaves no evidence, still takes all the credit. Dark matter is like duct tape for the universe. Galaxies would just fall apart without it. So yeah, turns out the lazy group partner was important the whole time. Who knew? So next time your team has a freeloading partner, just call them dark matter. At least then they'll sound mysterious instead of useless.